Good day, everyone. I am Jerosh Angelo Ciara, and I will discuss the trees, one of the nonlinear data structures. So, sa akong presentation, atong isgutan ang definition sa trees, terminologies, types of trees, tree representation, o real-life applications. Explain na ko ang flow sa kada topic o sabayan ng sample code, explanation, aron mas masabtan gyud nato kung giunsa pagtrabaho ang trees. So, let's go. So, definition of trees. A tree is a collection of nodes that are connected by edges. It is a nonlinear data structure with a hierarchical organization. The nodes in a tree are arranged in a parent-child relationship, where each node can have a zero or more child. The topmost node in a tree is called the root, and it is the starting point for accessing the entire tree. So, definition of trees. Ang tree kay usa ka collection sa nodes nga connected pinaagi sa edges. Nonlinear siya kay nonlinear siya nga data structures, meaning dili siya parehas sa array or linked list nga straight ang flow. Ang structure sa tree kay hierarchical nga na siya levels. Ang pinakataas nga node gitawag og root node ug kini ang starting point para ma-access ang tanan node sa tree. Ang mga nodes arrange sa parent-child relationship. Diin ang usa ka parent pwede na ay daghan child nodes, and ang kadtong mga child nga usa ra ila parents mo to gitawag na siblings. So next is their terminology. So node, basic unit containing data and link to child nodes. So ang node mao ni ang basic unit sa tree nga nagdala og data. So edge, connection between two nodes. So, ang edge mao ni ang connection sa duha ka nodes. The first top node of the tree. So, ang root mao ang pinakauna o pinakataas nga node nga naa sa tree. And parent, a node that has one or more children. So, ang parent mao ang node nga naay child. And ang child mao ang node nga nagikan sa parents. A node that descend from parents. And next is siblings, node with the same parent. So, muna yun ganina. Ang siblings, mga magsuon. Parehas ang ila parents. Next is leaf, node with no children. So, way anak. Ang internal node that has at least one child. Internal node kay naay at least usa ka child. Then, height, longest path from root to in the leaf. And depth is distance of a node from the root. Next is types of trees. So, una kay binary tree. A binary tree is a type of tree where each node has at most two children, a left child and a right child. The left child is typically smaller than the parent node, and the right child is larger. However, this ordering is not strictly required. Binary trees are widely used in various algorithms and data structures. So, karon natong isgutan ang binary tree. Ang binary tree kay usa ka klase sa tree nga ang matag node kay maximum duha ra ka children, a left child o ang right child. Dili required nga sorted ang values sa binary tree. Ang importante ra kay duha ra ang ianak ang pwede sa matag node. Binary trees are widely used as the foundation of many tree-based data structures. So example sa binary tree sa iyang pag-tree kay ani. So ang yagi on diri kay the ordering is strictly required. So ang pwede ra na siya nga kuan bisag dili nato masunod, bisag dili gamay ang left nga sub 3 ana. So kuno ay diri kay 5, diri kay 4, 3, 2, diri kay 6, 7 o 8 ana. Binary tree. Hindi na siya na. So, binary tree, ang code sa binary tree. So, una, yagikuan kay type depth struct binary node. Kini nga line kay nag-define og structure para sa binary tree node. The next is end data. Kini nag-initialize siya og data nga nag-store siya og value sa node kani nga variable. The next is struct binary node pointers left, struct binary node points to right. Kani nga duha ka pointers nag-point sa left og right child nodes. And ang last is ang binary node. Human ini, giname na to ang structure nga binary node. This code shows how a binary tree is represented in memory using pointers. So next na types of trees is binary search trees or BST. A binary search tree is a binary tree that follows a specific ordering property for any node in the tree. The values of nodes in its left subtree are smaller, and the values of nodes in its right subtree are larger. This property enables efficient searching, insertion, and deletion operations. So ang binary search tree or BST kay special nga binary tree na ordering rule. For every node, ang left subtree kay smaller values and ang right subtree kay larger values. Tungod ani nga rule, paspas kayo ang searching, insertion, o deletion. BST are very efficient data structures. So, there is a binary search tree. So, unlike sa binary tree nga, dili siya required, dili strictly required ang ordering. Dili, kinahanglan jud nga i-follow sa specific ordering properly. So, ang left subtree kuno are smaller and the values in the nodes in the right subtree are larger. So, ang sample ana kay tataring 20 sa root and sa parent kay 10 kay 15 sa left, sa right ang ila child, all children dire kay left man, so kuminti siya gamay nato kay 5 dire sa right niya is 7 dire kay 15 man lang yung parent, so tanga na itong gamay na ito siya 11 and dire kay 13. So ang right is perminti siya mas dako sa left na siyang binary search tree. Mura na siya. Example sa binary search tree. So next, kaya ito na pong hisgutan ang code sa binary search tree. So kini, parehara ganina, butang sa type strap, BST, lahi lang ang pangan, binary search tree node, int data, struct BST node left, pointers left, struct BST node, pointers right. Ang kalainan lang sa binary search tree, wala sa structure, kundi naa sa logic sa operations. During insertion o searching, gina-check na to kung smaller or larger ang value aron masunod ang binary search tree na property. So next slide is balanced trees. Balanced trees are trees that maintain a balanced structure, ensuring that the height of the tree is minimized. They provide efficient search, insert, and delete operations. Example of balanced trees include EVL trees, red-black trees, and B trees. Karon tong isgutan ang balanced trees. Balanced trees ensure nga dili mo taas kaayo ang height sa tree. If a tree is balanced, mas paspas ug mas efficient ang operations. Example sa balanced trees kay kining ingon niya dire. EVL trees, red-black trees, and B trees. So, karon natong isgutan ng EVL trees. So, EVL trees are a type of balanced binary search tree. They ensure that the heights of the left and right subtrees of any node differ by at most 1. This self-is balancing property guarantees efficient operation and logarithmic time. So, ang EVL tree kay self-balancing binary search tree. I-ensure niya nga ang height difference sa left o right subtree kay at most 1. Kung mabiolate ni nga condition, mag-perform og rotations ang tree aron mabalance og balik. Because of this, EVL trees guarantee logarithmic time of complexity. So next is the red-black trees. So red-black trees are another type of balanced binary search tree. They maintain a balance by coloring the nodes either red or black, and applying specific rules during insertion and deletion. Red-black trees guarantee a maximum height of 2 times log times n plus 1, where n is the number of nodes. So, ang red-black tree kay another balanced binary search tree. Ang nodes kay gikuluran niya og red or black, either sa duha. Yan na sila specific rules nga sundon. These rules help maintain balance and ensure that the height of the tree remains controlled. Red-black trees are commonly used in real systems. So, next is B trees. B trees are self-balancing trees designed to handle large amounts of data efficiently. They are commonly used in databases and file systems. B trees have a variable number of children per node, allowing them to store a large number of keys in a single node. So, ang B trees kay self-balancing tree nga pwede daghan og anak per node. This type of tree is commonly used in databases and file systems. Kung daghan siya ma-store nga keys sa usa ka node. Very efficient siya para sa large data. Next is trie. Trie is also known as a prefix tree. Is a specialized tree data structure used for efficient retrieval of strings. It is commonly used in applications like autocomplete and spell checking. Each node in a trie represents a character and paths from the root to the left nodes. Root to the left nodes form complete words. So, trie or prefix tree kay trig structures para sa strings. Each nodes kay nagrepresent sa character ug ang path gikan sa root padulong left. Padulong left kay nagform og word. This is commonly used in autocomplete dictionary or spell checking applications. So next is the tree use cases and applications. So trees are widely used in real life applications such as file system directories, database indexing, expression evaluation in compilers, routing tables in network routing, artificial intelligence decision trees. This shows how important trees are. So next is the trees representation. Karon natong sigutan ang tree representation. Different representations are used depending on memory usage and application requirements. So sa array representation, ang nodes ginastore sa array. In the array representation of a tree, the nodes are stored in an array. The relationship between parent and child nodes can be determined using the indices. For a node at index I, its left child is at index 2 times I plus 1, and its right child is at index 2 times I plus 2. So kung ang parent kay naa sa index I, ang left child niya is equals to 2 times I plus 1. Ang right child kay equals to 2 times I plus 1. This method is simple pero mahimong wasteful kung dili complete ang tree. Next is the linked list representation. In the linked list representation of a tree, each node contains a pointer to its first child. The siblings are linked together using a linked list. This representations allows for dynamic tree structures. So sa linked list representation, ang matag node na ay pointers padulong sa iyang children. This allows dynamic tree structures ug mas flexible sa memory. So next slide is next tree representation is the parent pointer representation. In the parent pointer representation, each node contains a pointer to its parent node. This representation simplifies certain operations such as finding the parent or siblings of a given node. So sa parent pointer representation, ang matag node na ay pointer padulong sa iyang parent. This makes upward traversals easier. Then dito sa child sibling representation. Left child, right sibling. In the child sibling representation, Each node contains a pointer to its leftmost child and a pointer to its right sibling. This representation is particularly useful for trees where each node can have an arbitrary number of children. So there is a child-sibling representation. Ang left pointer nagpoint sa first child. O ang right pointer nagpoint sa next sibling. This is very useful for trees with many children. So to conclude, trees are powerful data structures used to organize data efficiently by understanding their structure, types, and representations. Masayo na ito masabtan ang advanced algorithms. So that's all, guys. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something from this presentation. That's all. Bye. And once again, I'm Jairus Angelo Ciara.